Hello, boys and girls. This week for math, you have some addition and some subtraction, and they're all put together. So they're just, it could be an addition or it could be a subtraction problem. So you got to make sure you follow the sign and see the sign. So I'm going to show you a couple of tricks on how to do them properly. The first thing we do, we've got 372 subtract 137. We've got 486 adding 324. We've got 297 subtracting 138. We got 381 adding 437. So what we're going to do is the first thing we do is we got to stack them properly. So the first one is the subtraction. So you do 372 subtract 137. Now, if you look at mine, you can see that they're directly over one another. That will make sure that you are subtracting the proper numbers. So the first one is 2 take away 7. Presley, what's 2 take away 7? Oh, right on. You can't do it. So we've got borrow, right? So we're going to borrow or take 110 from the 7, which will give us 6 tens left over, and we're going to regroup it over to the 2. So now we've got 12. And what's 12 take away 7, Presley? 5 is correct. Good. There we go. And it's directly underneath again. The next one, we've got 6, and we're taking 3 away. So that's 6 tens, take away 3 tens, or 6 minus 3. What does that equal, Ahmed? That's right, 3. 6 take away 3 is 3. And the last one, 3 subtract 1 is, how about Cohen? 2. You know that. That's easy. Okay, good. Now, this was the subtraction we started off with. Now, the best thing to do is to make sure we identify them somehow. So if I take a circle and I put it around the subtraction, I know that all my subtractions are going to have a circle around them. And my additions, I'll just leave them like they are. So the next one, I'm going to put 486 plus 324. My next one is going to be 297 subtract 138. And the last one is going to be 381 adding to it plus 437. So, what should I do, Lucas? Put a circle around. Yep, that's correct. Put a circle around the 297 minus 138. And as soon as I see those circles, I know there's subtraction. And you know what I do? I do all of these first. So all the ones that are alike, I do them first. That way there, I know that when I'm finished, all I'll have left over are the addition after I do the subtraction. So I'm going to go over to this one. I'm going to take 7 and subtract 8. What does that equal, Abby? Can't do it. Right on. So what do I have to do? Okay, regroup. You say this becomes an 8. This becomes 17. What's 17 take away 8, Abby? Oh, no using your fingers. Right, 9. Good. 17 take away 8 is 9. Then we've got 8 take away 3. Addison, what's 8 take away 3? 5 is correct. There we go. 5. And a hard one for Thatcher. Thatcher, what's 2 take away 1? 2 take away 1 is right, 1. Good. Awesome. So now if you look at it, directly underneath. That's the way you got to do it. So now I've done both of the ones with the circles that I put around the subtraction sign. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my addition. So I've got 1 addition, I've got 2 additions. So the first one I'm going to ask Hope. Hope, what's 6 plus 4? 10 is correct. That was quick, Hope. Very good. 6 plus 4 is 10. Leave your 0. And then I'm going to regroup and put my 1 over here. So it becomes a 10. So I've got 8 10s and 2 10s. So that's 10 plus 1 is 11. Leave the Hope. Okay, I'll leave a 1. And I regroup again. And I bring 1 over. So then I got 4 plus 4 is what, Xavier? 4 plus 4 is 8. You got it. So 486 plus 324 equals 810. Now, I've got this one. I've got this one, I've got this one, so I'm left with 1 more. And I'm going to ask Isaac. Isaac, what's 7 plus 1? 8. Good. Okay, how about Tyler? What's 8 plus 3? Oh, good. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. That's good. Leave the 1 there, regroup again. Over here we got 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is, how about Taylor? 8 is right. Now, just to recap, make sure the first thing you got to do is you take the numbers which are horizontal and you stack them. Stack them, stack them, stack them. Then you got to make sure the numbers are directly underneath each other. Right underneath, right underneath. If you keep them underneath, you won't get mixed up. And thirdly, I circle all my subtractions. The reason I do it is because I do all my subtractions first, then I do my additions afterwards, so I know I've done them all correctly. And that's your trick and tip of the day. Bye for now.